Hey, it's me, Bridget, with My Girls Products. I am the CEO of My Girls Products. Just want to come and share with y'all some new stuff that we got. New lashes, new cases, and some restocks on some stuff. So I hope everyone is doing well. Let me tell y'all, it was a journey with these lashes. Like, where I live, DHL is the main delivery company. Like, they deliver regular mail too. So it was a process getting this package that should have been here last week. Custom held it because the vendor did not put the value of the items. She did not put the value of the lashes on the custom form. So custom held it. Never got in contact with me through email or nothing. Like, my phone number and stuff is in the system with DHL. I'm a business owner. I need to have updates with them. So my number, my email is in their system. They never emailed me, they never called me or anything. But however, we got it straightened out. Everything's here. So let's open them. I hope everybody is doing well. So if I can get this open, because it is taped up. Let's see now if we can get it out. So I have not seen the lashes yet. As y'all can see, I'm just opening the package too. So with that being said, she gave me these boxes, but I have these boxes. So I don't know if I'm going to use those. She got them separated. I want to say 25. I just ordered 25 from her just to see how they are. She was like highly recommended. Her reviews were very well. No complaints. So the only complaint I have about her was she got my package held up through customs. That's so far. So let's see. Oh my god. Let's see how these look. They're so gorgeous. That's those. These are 25 mm. Y'all, these are gorgeous. So far, so good. These almost look alike, and on the picture it doesn't look. That is 10. These are so full. These almost look alike. It's so weird. These are pretty. See that curl? These are really pretty. These are pretty too. So yeah, I have the 25. These are really pretty. And 3 of the sets are really full and they almost look alike, to be honest. But I chose 5 different pairs. Okay, so yeah, so I have all 25. But I have like a lot of lashes. I'm just trying to find the right vendor, and she was the sweetest little person, whatever, but I can't have my items getting held by custom. So the other stuff I got was 10 mil squeeze tube, some more of these bags, but I actually had got them bigger, so they're really big. Like my other ones are like half of this size, so they're like really small. And then we have these bags, these boxes. So it has our company logo and YouTube and everything. So they're really cute. And we also did a restock on the spandex shorts. Go get one. And the jogger, not joggers, the stack leggings. So the stack leggings don't have any pockets. They're actually leggings, but they're stack form at the bottom part, you know? You see? So yeah, we did a restock on the shorts. Thank you. So yeah, so that's all I have right now. And yeah, if y'all like what you see, tell me, like, what should I do with these boxes? Like, I don't know. I have more lashes. Maybe I should just put them in these. So anyways, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.